Hi, my name is Professor Marcus and this is my son, Tommy. My son asked me some questions regarding states of matter, solids in particular.
Daddy, what are solids?
Before I move on to explain what are solids, let us take a look at what is matter. Shall we?
Sure, Dad.
Matter is everything around you.
Fine.
Matter consists of atoms such as carbon and oxygen, and molecules. It is anything that has mass and occupies space.
There are three states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas.
Oh, I see.
We will use a particulate model to explain more about solids. We will now look into how particles in a solid move.
First of all, they are held together by strong forces of attraction. For example, in an ice hydrogen bonds hold the water molecules together.
Wow, that's so interesting, Dad.
And because of these forces of attraction, the particles in an ice are unable to move about freely and can only vibrate about their fixed positions. The arrangement of particles in solid are very closely packed together in a fixed and regular pattern as a result of forces of attraction between them. Let us now compare the distances between particles in solid, liquid, and gas. As you can see, the distance between solid particles is closer compared to liquids and gases. All of these give rise to the physical properties of a solid. Solids have a definite shape and volume, where definite means fixed. Solids cannot be compressed and have a higher density than liquids. Density is defined as mass per volume.
Thanks, Dad. Now I know more about solids. Dad, where did the ice disappear to? It's some kind of magic.
Silly boy, this is not magic. This can all be explained by the beauty of science.
Sure, I would like to learn more, Dad.
Well, the disappearance of ice is due to a physical change in its state, from solid to liquid state as a result of energy transfer in the form of heat. Just by looking at these words, energy transfer, we know that it is a process where energy is transferred from one system to another. In this case, heat from the surroundings is transferred to the ice and the ice gains heat from the environment. We will now look at the particles of solid when it gains heat from the environment. As these particles gain heat, these particles will vibrate more vigorously about their fixed positions. Son, do you remember what I told you about the attraction force in water?
Yes. Hydrogen bonds hold these particles together.
Yes, clever boy. As these particles vibrate more vigorously, the energy will eventually be able to overcome the forces of attraction holding them. This results in a change in its state to liquid and hence melting. The solid particles that was once held together by strong forces of attraction in a fixed position becomes weaker. Now, the particles are able to flow over one another.
I see. Thanks, Dad, for information. I'm now